With interest rates so low, now is the time to own your own farm. Buy this 96.79-acre farm on the north side of Bloomington. Quick drive to I-69 entrance/exit ramps. Property is located 6 miles northeast of Bloomington Central Business District in Bloomington Township. Quick drive to IU Health's new Bloomington Hospital and the IU Sports Complex. Lake Lemon is nearby as well. Home has 2 levels. Some rooms have been repurposed as bedrooms and could be turned back to a dining room in the upper level and extra-large open family room in the lower level. Lots of opportunity for changes to meet your lifestyle. Eat-in kitchen has an abundance of windows. 4 skylights on the main level bring in lots of natural light on a dreary Indiana day. Beautiful Brown County stone wall that continues downstairs. Downstairs you find the wood-burning fireplace with a wood-burning insert. Extra-large 2-car garage, 29 by 24, with a room above that could be finished out and a carport, 21 by 18. There is a 49 by 49 pole barn on the property. Beautiful, peaceful, quiet setting with a view that you can enjoy from your covered porch. 2 ponds on property. Will make a great place for a hunter's retreat. The covered porch is handicap accessible with a ramp and wide door to enter the house.